Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how can we get clear mode option on TikTok. It's a very easy and simple process. It works both on Android and on iOS. So let's begin. First of all, just open your TikTok account, and after opening your TikTok account, as this is the video, just hold for 2 to 3 minutes as I have hold, and on the third option below add to favorites, clear mode option will be shown. But right now in the latest update, TikTok has removed the clear mode option for most of the users, but some users still have that option. So just hold for 2 to 3 seconds and then tap on clear mode. What clear mode does is it removes a lot of text, a lot of edit or names on the video, and you can see the video clearly. So this is the process to get clear mode on TikTok.